Good morning, children. In the last video, I have explained you about estimation of numbers where we round off a number to its nearest 10, to its nearest 100 and to its nearest 1000. Okay? I hope that this topic is clear to you how to round off the numbers. So today we will start estimated sum or difference. If I tell you what will be the sum of 478 and 29, so you will tell it will around 500. So what we are doing here, we are estimating the sum. Same process we have to apply. So I have written the steps also. First, select the smaller number. Second, round off the given numbers to the highest place value of that smaller number. Read again. Round off the given numbers to the highest place value of that smaller number. Third, add or subtract the rounded numbers. So to make you understand this, I am giving you example. First, sum of 283 and 1732. So which one is smaller here? 283. And what is the greatest place value of this smaller number? Unit 10, 100. So highest place value of this number is 100. So we will round off to nearest 100. We will round both of these numbers to nearest 100. So 283. We will follow the steps to round off. First of all, we have to round off to nearest 100. हम इन दोनों को ones place and tens place digit will become 0. 200. Now we will see whether 8 is greater than 5 or not. Yes, it is greater than 5. So 2 will increase by 1. हमने बताया था यदि tens place 5 से बड़ा है तो 100 place पे 1 से increase हो जाएगा. So 2 plus 1 3. So the round off figure of 283 is 300. Again 1732. Round off 100. So पहले हम क्या करेंगे? First of all, replace 3 and 2 by 0. Again we will see whether 3 is greater than 5 or not. No, 3 is smaller than 5. So no change will be in 7. It will remain 1700. So what is the round off figure of 1732? 1700 and 283 300. So estimated sum 1700 plus 300, that is 2000. Okay. Again we will do this with subtraction also. We have to subtract 597 from 8435. Here smaller number is 597, and again we can see highest place value is unit 10, 100. So we have to round off both of these numbers to nearest 100. ठीक है, दोनों को हमें nearest 100 में round off करना है. So first of all 597, we first step round, replace 9 and 7 by 0. Second step, see whether 9 is greater than 5 or not. Yes, it is greater. So 5 will increase by 1. 5 plus 1, 6. So round off becomes 600. Again next number 8435. 3 and 5 replaced by 0. 3 is smaller than 5. So no change in 4. So round off figure 8400. Now we have to subtract. So we will write 8400 minus 600, that is 7800. Okay. So in this way we will do subtraction and addition. Clear? Now next, estimated product. Again we have to follow some steps. First, round off each factor to its nearest greatest value. हम क्या करेंगे, हर फैक्टर को उसके नियरेस्ट ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू पे राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. सेकेंड, मल्टीप्लाई द राउंडेड ऑफ फैक्टर्स. जब राउंड ऑफ हो जाएगा दे विल मल्टीप्लाई. एग्जाम्पल 87 एंड 313. 87 को यदि हम नियरेस्ट ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू पे राउंड ऑफ करें, व्हाट इट विल बिकम 100. एंड 313 से कौन सा क्लोज होगा, 400 और 300. तो मैंने इसको 300 में राउंड ऑफ कर दिया. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई 300 एंड 100. इट विल बी 30,000. ओके, 30,000. So in this way you will multiply. Again I am repeating, round off each factor to its nearest greatest value. 87 का nearest greatest value क्या था, 100. So I rounded it to 100. 313, 300. So I rounded it to 300. 300 into 100, 30,000. Clear? Now next. Second example, 9 into 795. Nearest round of figure 10. 795 का 800. So 800 into 10, 8,000. Okay. And last, estimating quotient. First, round off the dividend to nearest multiple of divisor. Second, divide to get the quotient. See what we have to do in this. हमें क्या करना है, चेक करना है कि हम 556 को कैसे राउंड ऑफ करें कि वो 7 से टोटली डिवाइड हो जाए. सो वी कैन सी इफ वी राउंड इट टू नियरेस्ट 10. 556 का नियरेस्ट 10 क्या होगा, 560. इट विल बी 560. yes, it will be 560. So what we will do, so we see that 56 comes in table of 7. So 560 divided 7, 80. हमने क्या किया, 556 को 560 में राउंड ऑफ किया. हमने चेक किया 7 के टेबल में 56 आता है, बस हमने इसको डिवाइड कर दिया. सो वी गेट द आंसर. अगेन सी सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, 1189 divided 56. सो नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ फिगर, सी मैंने इनको पहले 0 से रिप्लेस किया. नाउ वी चेक 8 is greater than 5, so 1 will increase by 1, 1, 1, 2. So round of figure is 1200. अगेन यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं 56 है, तो इसको भी हम राउंड ऑफ कर सकते हैं. 56 का नियरेस्ट 60. So 1200 divided 60, 20. So in this way you will do the questions. I have written the steps. Try to read it, understand it, and do the questions.